finest Basmati, captured in stunning detail. A testament to quality, where every grain tells a story of perfection.
In the shadow of these titans, the grain is transformed. A delicate process hidden within the shadow scales.
In our state-of-the-art facility, every grain of golden white Basmati rice is handled with the utmost precision.
Only the finest grains are selected. Behold the perfection of golden Basmati, kissed by light, destined for distinction. To the future of rice processing. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every grain of golden Basmati is perfected. Here at the plant, our dedicated team oversees the cleaning and dehulling process, ensuring
the system's symmetry. Mechanical rivers channeling thousands of Basmati grains through optimized routes. Ultra-wide view reveals the sheer scale of our operation, where synchronized machinery ensures every grain meets our high standards.
Destination: Basmati rice production Frauland. Color code: golden white. The journey of our finest Basmati rice begins here, under the floodlights.
Under these bright LED panels, we meticulously inspect the golden white clusters, removing any impurities to ensure.
To achieve our premium golden white Basmati, the rice undergoes rigorous mechanical cleaning, utilizing
looks completely stable.
Agreed. Signing off now.
Using advanced digital mapping, we monitor real-time length, moisture, and color, guaranteeing the superior. Using advanced digital mapping, we monitor real-time length, moisture, and color, guaranteeing the superior. Using advanced digital mapping, we monitor real-time length, moisture, and color, guaranteeing the superior.
Our optical sorters utilize advanced algorithms to analyze the color and shape of every grain.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes synchronized polishing and laser grading to ensure every
Air
grain
streams
of our
delicately dry every grain, ensuring the perfect, refined texture and the iconic golden white color of our Basmati.
Advanced precision grading technology, these lines release fully refined golden white Basmati rice onto synchronized belts, ensuring consistent quality.
Under these intense LED lights, we meticulously review every batch of Basmati.
We simulate real-world conditions, first with a compression test, followed by intense vibrational stress.
Camera shot maps color heat zones across sealed packs of Basmati rice in golden white, analyzing moisture retention and stability.
The microscan confirms superior Basmati quality,
with a purity of
And with
99.8%.
final approval confirmed by the team, the golden white basmati glides smoothly toward packaging. At Golden Harvest, our logistics team operates with ballet-like precision, ensuring every grain of basmati rice is handled with care.
We prepare the shipments of our finest golden white basmati rice, ensuring it reaches its destination fresh and on time. Through the mist of the morning, the golden convoy delivers the promise of quality basmati rice.
With a rapidly expanding global reach, our basmati rice network spans continents.
In the warm glow of the setting sun, this massive facility orchestrates the delivery of our finest basmati rice
We are
worldwide.
proud to present the finest quality golden white basmati rice, thanks to the dedication of our incredible team. Discover the exquisite taste of our golden basmati rice, selected for perfection, destined for your table, quality, and the taste of excellence. Welcome to Ultra Phase.
Finest golden white basmati. Notice the exceptional grain length and polished sheen. Every bag is certified authentic for the highest
Day
quality.
ends and the conveyor slow. We ensure every grain of our golden white basmati is perfect.